Hello everyone. So for our example number 4, we have y equals to x to solve. So our dy dx is equals to, the coefficient here is 1 and the power is 1. So the power multiplied by the coefficient is 1. 1 multiplied by x. The power minus 1, that is 1 minus 1. So our dy dx is equals to 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1 is 0. X raised to the power 0. Our dy dx is equals to 1 multiplied by x. Any number or any alphabet raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 multiplied by 1. So our answer would be 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. Thank you and share.